Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the CHENSIVE 3-channel 4K dash cam, a high-tech dash camera designed to cover every angle of your vehicle. This system combines a front, rear, and cabin camera, delivering 4K UHD video at the front, 1440p in the cabin, and 1080p at the rear, ensuring that no detail goes unnoticed. Whether you're a daily commuter or planning a family road trip, this dash cam promises comprehensive coverage with wide-angle lenses. Capturing 170 degrees at the front, 150 degrees inside, and 160 degrees at the rear. One standout feature is the built-in 5G Wi-Fi and smart app control. By connecting the dash cam to your smartphone via the Viador app, you can view, playback, and manage your recordings in real time. You can also download and edit footage directly from your phone, making it easy to share scenic drives or crucial evidence from an accident. The system comes with a 64GB SD card pre-installed, and thanks to loop recording, you'll never have to worry about running out of storage. The built-in G sensor automatically locks video when it detects a collision or sudden shake, ensuring important footage isn't overwritten. For nighttime driving or low-light conditions, the CHENSIVE dash cam excels with its super night vision and infrared cabin light. The f2.0 aperture and WDR technology combined with 4 infrared lights deliver clear, color-accurate footage even in tunnels or poorly lit streets. The compact design ensures the front camera doesn't obstruct your view, while the rear camera is simple to install, connecting easily to the front unit without needing to tap into reverse lights. This dash cam also supports 24-hour parking monitoring, activated by either motion or collision detection. Keep in mind that for continuous parking recording, a separate hardwire kit is required, which is sold separately. Installation is straightforward, with the package including the dash cam, rear camera with an 18-foot extending cable, a cigarette lighter power cord, and a user manual. The system is compatible with memory cards up to 128GB, but comes ready to use with the included 64GB card. Additional features include a built-in microphone and speaker for audio recording, HDR for improved video clarity, and loop recording to automatically override old footage while preserving important events. The CHENSIVE 3-channel 4K dash cam is designed to enhance driving safety and convenience, providing complete vehicle coverage from all angles, day or night. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're looking for a dash cam that combines high-resolution video, smart app control, and robust safety features, the CHENSIVE 3-channel 4K dash cam is a compelling option. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed product insights.